tattoo collection, saying it's measure when it all catches up to you. Undressing under my bed sheets, role playing with sympathy, saying I just want to be with me. There are ghosts in my room, but they don't bite. They only wanna know if you'll spend